What's up guys, Jason here for TechnoBok Unboxings, and today you join me for an exciting look at that. Xiaomi's Mi Band 5, a fitness companion. Now if you know anything about me, you know that my daily driver is a Xiaomi device. In fact, you can consider me somewhat of a Mi fan. I've been using their devices for ages now. In fact, I brought some boxes next to me. This one here is the Xiaomi Pocophone F1. My first device which I started using from the brand, and more recently my brother kindly got me this, the Xiaomi Pocophone F3. These are excellent daily drivers, and no matter who I show it to, people say to me, how do we get hold of one? People start slowly becoming fans of the brand. Now it's growing increasingly in popularity as they bring out new devices. So I was extremely excited when I was actually sent this for review. Next to me here I've got the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. It's a smart fitness device which packs and offers some impressive features. Taking a look around the device box, you can see it's a slim, stylish profile as the packaging of Xiaomi normally is. Black on black here, the big 5 in the center, and a couple of features just to quickly run through. A 1.1-inch colorful display, 50 meters water resistance, heart rate monitoring. Apart from this, they're talking of a 14-day battery life, which is seriously impressive, all-day sleep tracking, magnetic charging, and multi-sport modes. It sounds exciting. I love sport, I love fitness, and I love bringing technology to the party. And with my overall impressions of Xiaomi as a brand and the quality offering they managed to bring at affordable prices, I'm extremely excited now to cut the seals open. Let's get this out of the box, see what it offers, then we'll spend a bit of time training with it and see what it's like when on the wrist and using the Mi Band 5. So first things first, when we take a look at the box here before we open it, it gives you a little breakdown of the features, and it's a slim profile, telling you that this is going to be a lightweight, probably easy wearable device. It also looks pretty neat looking at it on the front, but let's now pop the actual card open here, see what comes inside, and then we'll set the device up and get outside and have a bit of a go with it. The first thing you're greeted with is a pretty neat, nondescript package, but you can see you've got the device on the front here. Feels very, very light in the hand. We'll get to that in a second. And then apart from this, you're getting a little compartment here. If we open this compartment, you are, of course, getting a sync charge cable. Now, it's got the Mi branding, and you can see it's a proprietary charge cable designed for the device. Apart from this, inside here you get another little compartment, and if we open this compartment, you are simply greeted with an instructional manual. So let's get that aside, and let's actually open up the product itself. Here it is, first look at the Mi Band 5. Let's take it out of its packaging, and there we go, greeted by the device itself. Now it looks very neat in the hand. I like the feel of it. It's got a very nice feeling rubber. And underneath you can see that it's got your heart rate monitoring sensors. Apart from this, it's a simple, elegant and stylish slim black profile device. So let's see what it's like now. Let's adjust it to size, get it on the wrist, and then we'll have a bit of a go training with the Mi Band 5. It's out in a setting like this, going for a run, getting out there, getting a bit active, that you can really enjoy the Huawei Mi Band 5. It's light, it's incredibly slim to wear, easy, and this rubber band is very, very comfortable, no matter what strap size you have it adjusted to. Apart from this, you got very easy operation. If we jump into it now, it tells me the amount of steps I've done for today. I can measure my heart rate. I can have a look at the weather or conditions out here. And the big one is, they say 14-day battery life, and I'm inclined to believe them. I've been using it for a couple of days now, and we're still sitting on about 80% battery. You consider that it measures your sleep cycles and just how easy it is to use out of the box. And this inexpensive device really is the perfect training buddy. I really am enjoying using it. From me, Jason of TechnoBok, until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for now.